welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Demiya if you're new here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this highlighted look with these clip-ins from CURLSQUEEN. So shout out to them for sponsoring this video. These are their 20-inch premium Brazilian virgin hair clip-ins. This is in a texture like Yaki silk press, and they sent me 10 wefts, which is one bundle, which is more than enough, as you can see. I feel like their bundle of wefts are, I think it's equivalent to like 2 bundles of hair, and all of those wefts are double wefted. So you get 10 wefts, 2 10-inch wefts, 2 9-inch, 2 7-inch, 2 4-inch, and 2 3-inch. So yeah, this hair is very, very blendable. As you can see, it matches my texture perfectly. But yeah, if y'all like this hair, just keep on watching and I'll give y'all more specs on this hair in the video. So I had to cut like 3 or 4 wefts, so I won't be able to use this. I won't be able to use this right now. I mean, I can sew them on, like I can sew the extra clips that they gave me on, but I don't feel like doing that right now. I'll do it at another time, but yeah. I just have 4 more clips to put in and I'm done. I think maybe I should do a side part. Yeah, I'll do a side part. Let's see how this turns out. I'm loving it. Now, this just needs to get cut. I just cut off a little bit, but right now, I'm just about to curl this hair. I'm just putting some bio silk through. So far, I'm loving the fullness. I love the color. I'm glad I went with this. I think the funniest thing about me wearing this turtleneck right now is the fact that I'm in my underwear. Business on top, party on the bottom.
You just dropped off the sky. You just fell in my lap. Hold me till I scream forever. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Hair, like it took to my bleaching well, it curled well, the clips were easy to put in, like they're not sliding out or anything, and my hair is pressed. Win-win. Yeah, so I really love how it blends. It's the perfect texture for my hair. It does shed, but like it sheds like how any weave would shed. It's not extreme shedding. Of course, if you cut your wefts like how I did, it's gonna shed even more because you broke the weft, so hair's gonna start coming out. So yeah, I'm really happy with this hair, and it says that this could last at least 6 months or even longer if you take good care of it. And yeah, I can definitely see it lasting longer than that. So that's it for today's video, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed. I surely did. I don't know, I was kind of nervous how this is gonna turn out, seeing as though all of the hair was highlighted and my hair is black, but it blends very well, as y'all can see. And yeah, I just love it. So definitely make sure y'all check out CURLSQUEEN. I'll leave my discount code on the screen if I have one. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss when I upload. And I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.